In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WooCommerce faster. If your store feels sluggish, a simple caching setup can make a big difference for shoppers browsing products and checking out. Caching saves ready-to-use versions of your pages, so your server doesn't have to rebuild them for every visitor. That means faster load times and a smoother experience, especially during busy sales. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is where we add tools that extend your site's functionality. If you're already on the Plugins page, great. If not, choose Add New at the top. In the search bar on the right, type Lightspeed Cache. You're looking for the official Lightspeed Cache plugin with high ratings and frequent updates. When you find it, click Install. Now, and once the button changes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on, so it can start working with your site. Don't worry, installing a cache plugin does not change your content. It simply adds performance features that sit on top of what you already have. After activation, you'll see Lightspeed Cache appear in your left-hand menu. Click it, then click Settings. This is where we'll enable caching. Look for the Cache tab inside the Settings area. On this tab, find the option to enable cache and turn it on. This tells the plugin to start storing and serving cached versions of your pages to visitors. When you've toggled it on, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. The core setup is done. A quick note for context. Lightspeed Cache works best on hosting that supports the Lightspeed web server, but even on other environments, it can still help with optimizations. If you're on Lightspeed hosting, you'll usually see the biggest impact from enabling the cache. Either way, don't panic if you don't notice instant results on every page. Your site may need a few visits to build the cache. After a short while, pages should start loading more quickly. For best results, browse your storefront in a private or incognito window to get a fresh view and click around product and category pages to feel the speed improvement. If you recently made changes to your site design, wait a moment for the cache to rebuild, then check again. It's also a good idea to keep your plugins and WordPress core updated so everything runs smoothly. And that's how to make WooCommerce faster by enabling caching with Lightspeed Cache, simple, effective, and ready to help your store perform better.